Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to install Paint 3D in Windows 11, and you could also do this in Windows 10 if your version of Windows 10 does not have Paint 3D any longer. All right, so I believe this was discontinued in 2024, and if you have Windows 10 and you had Paint 3D to begin with, you should still have it, but if you installed a newer version, then you probably don't have it. So many people like some of the features of Paint 3D, so I like it for making transparent backgrounds. It's pretty easy to do, and we actually did a video on that if you want to check that out. All right, so we're going to install Paint 3D on this Windows 11 computer here. All right, so I found a trustworthy source for the application here, so I'll put a link in the description for that, and then of course you could download it and scan it yourself to make sure it's something you want to install. All right, so we just have this AppxBundle file here, so we're going to double click this. All right, then we have install Paint 3D and we can have it launched when ready. So we'll click on install. You can see the publisher is Microsoft. All right, so it's going to install the required frameworks. So I will pause the video if this takes too long and then be back for the next step. All right, so now we're installing and it's launching it. All right, so now we could do a new file or open an existing file. And here's our Paint 3D. And if we go to our search box here, search for Paint, you can see we have the regular Paint app and Paint 3D. All right, so once again, all you need to do is download the installation file here from the description, double click it to run it, and you'll have Paint 3D back. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.